Mr. Good morning. Today I will explain 11th English medium, chapter 2, units and measurement physics. Okay. I will explain two types of dimensional analysis. First is that converting one type of the quantities, one system into another system. Second is that check the correctness of the quantities, formula of the quantities with the help of dimensional analysis. Third is that to obtain the formula of any quantity by the dimensional analysis. Okay, dimensional analysis, it means you will use only dimensions. Okay, and obtain the formula of any quantity. Clear? Student, let we have a time period of simple pendulum. Time period of simple pendulum. Simple pendulum T depends on effective length. Its effective length L and mass M and G. Gravitational acceleration G. Okay, clear? Then find out formula time period. Okay, students, first is that you know that time period of simple pendulum T depends on which type of quantity? Effective length. Its effective length L. Okay, effective length L means length of the string and mass M. Okay, and gravitational G. Clear? Left side will write the quantity which depending on the other quantities, and right side will write the quantities which given in the question. Okay, and its powers. Okay, you will use it dimensional formula. Clear? Then students, that is time period T. Time period T depending on the mass, length and gravitational acceleration. Then first is that time period T proportional to what? M to power A, L to power D and G to power C. It should have proportionality sign. Then time period T proportional to these quantities. If you will remove the proportional sign, then you have a constant K. Constant K, this is a dimensionless value. It has dimensionless value. That's why M to power A, L to power B and G to power C. This is first equation. You note down first equation. Okay? Clear? This is first equation. And we will put the dimension of the each side. Okay? We will put the dimension of each side. Clear? You will put the dimension of both sides. Okay? In the equation first, left side T, here M to power A, then M is the mass, capital M power A, and length power B, then capital L, length, dimension of length, capital L power B, here is the quantity G. Then dimension of G, gravity, acceleration due to gravity, L T minus 2. Then its power will be C. Okay, that's why you will put the values, and T is equal to, you will get T is equal to M to power A, here is L to power B here, B plus C here, L to power B plus C and T to power minus 2C. Okay, this is the both type of dimension powers. Clear? We will compare. This is the equal equation. Okay, that's why we will compare the powers of the dimension. Compare both sides power of the dimension. Compare both sides of power of the dimension. Clear? Student, here is t to power 1, but here m to power a, left side m to power 0. Here is not m and l. That's why m to power 0, l to power 0 plus c left, right side, but here is 0. That's why a is equal to 0. That is not a value of m. That's why a is equal to 0, l to power b plus c. Then b plus c also 0. That is 0. Left side, value of power of l 0, and the value of t minus 2c. Minus 2c here given here t to power 1. That is the t to power 1. That is when t, then its value will be power will be 1. Minus 2c is equal to 1. First, second, and third. Student here, where third is minus 2c is equal to 1, then c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay? Here you will put the value of c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then you will put what? C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Put c is equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation second. Here. Then b minus c equal to 0. Okay? b minus 1 by 2. Here is given b plus c equal to 0, b minus 1 by 2 equal to 0, then b equal to plus 1 by 2. Value of b will be 1 by 2. Okay? Clear? That's why a is equal to 0, b is equal to by 2, c is equal to minus 1 by 2. All the values, you will put all the values in equation number first. Okay? Equation number first is that what? T is equal to k m to power a, l to power b, g to power c, equation number first. Okay? You will put this value, these values. K, this is the k. Some cases k is equal to 1, but if given the value of experimental value, the value of k, then you will put the value of k. Here m to power a is equal to 0, then m to power 0, and l to power b. B is equal to 1 by 2. L to power 1 by 2, G. To power C, C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then you will T is equal to K, L to power 1 by 2 upon G to power 1 by 2. Positive value. Clear? Students, K will be here. T is equal to K under root L upon G. Okay? But experimental value of K is equal to 2 pi. That's why your formula is K is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. This is your formula. Okay? Clear? Understood? This is the value k, l to power 1 by 2, here g to power 1 by 2. We will put this value in the equation number first. Okay, k is equal to m to power a, t is equal to k, t is equal to k, m to power a, power b, g to power c. We will put all the values, then you will get t is equal to 0.1 upon g. The value of t is equal to 2 pi. That's why you will get t is equal to 2 pi under root l upon g. I hope all of you will understood, and you will solve the questions. If any doubt, any problem, then you can put the question to me. Okay? You will prepare it and note down your friend copy. Thank you, students.